Okay. So hello everyone, my name is Sabrina. Welcome to the walkthrough and demo session for Global Sources Online. So today I'm going to introduce to you global sources and why you should consider using it when sourcing products. I will do a walkthrough of new sites to you to give you a holistic view of the features and capabilities and how can you use this to source from verified suppliers anytime and anywhere. And also the entire session will take only around 10 minutes. If you have any questions during the walkthrough, don't worry, we will have a short Q&A afterwards. All right, so let's begin. Okay, so here are some key facts you need to know about global sources before using our site. We are actually the first B2B sourcing platform and has been connecting authentic buyers and verified suppliers for the past 50 years. So we also featured over 8 million products from verified suppliers and more than 10 million registered buyers using our platform daily. So why choose global sources? So why? Well, in addition to our online marketplace, we also have trade shows in Hong Kong, Indonesia, Shanghai, and other locations. This is where you can physically meet suppliers, exchange business cards, and check out their products. We also organize online shows such as offer free business matching services and hold online events such as sourcing talks and virtual summit, which you are currently attending. We also host webinar to keep you updated on the latest happenings and trends in the markets. Plus, it might be of interesting to you that we have dedicated marketplace for India, Vietnam, and South Korea. But I'm here to talk about sourcing online. So global sources facilitates this practice not only by allowing you to send suppliers an RFQ or RFI, which you are already familiar with. We also provide these new features such as a competitive price from bulk orders to ready-to-order products to fulfill different sourcing needs of buyers. Our new sourcing club program, I will introduce later, let you earn points while sourcing and redeem them from rewards. You can exchange digital business cards online with just one single click. So, you can also immerse yourself with a 360-degree virtual tour of the suppliers. I'm going to show you later. So are you excited? Now let's go. Let me help you to walk through and guide you on how to using our new platform. Let me share my screen now. So
Yep, let me just remove this and yeah. So guys, if you have any questions at any time, you can type your questions in the comment section wherever you're watching from, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. Type your questions in the comments and we will be addressing them as we go. Okay, we can see your screen, Sabrina. Go ahead.
okay, all right. So here is a new global sources website that launched in January this year. To access it, simply type globalsources.com in your browser or just search for global sources. Actually, our site is also mobile optimized, so you can use it any device you want to source from our website. So before we go any deeper, I would like to highlight some features on the homepage. So if you want to just browse or source for specific items, you can check out these sections like this to find products and suppliers. Here are categories. We have a main categories listed here and also a subcat. And by sections, you can check out most popular products, ACs, MOQ, new products, and ready to orders. And also you can find the trade shows on the top of the website, and also find other services. You can see, which I mentioned before, some new markets: India, South Korea, and Vietnam. So all you have, you can just search our website and find anything you want from here. So, okay, if you already know what you want to source, try the search and new features. Let's say I want a cutting board. Cutting board. So here we are. So you can and press here. And now I would like to narrow it down a little bit. You can see all the cutting boards listed here. And I can click verified manufacturer. So people may wonder why verified. This is because all this verified by global sources and also by the government and third parties. So you can trust all these suppliers. And also you can use the we have this new feature by the type. You can search like chief knives. Let's see. Okay, all the result you can get from here. And actually, all these result products, if you want to compare the differences, you can simply click here, make the comparison, and let's see, compare. All right, so you can see highlights the difference, and let's see if you are interested in all of them. You can simply click inquiry now. Sorry, I will select all. Let's see, and inquiry now. Okay, you can send the inquiry to all of them. After you successfully send RFI of Q, or maybe let's say place order, you know how to place the order. Let me pick a random products from here, and you can simply just inquiry from here. Or maybe let's say you can chat with them for the registered buyers. Let's find a better. So, okay. Okay, sorry. So send the inquiry here or maybe have a chat, and all your activities, you can get some rewards, and how you get the rewards, and you can simply redeem the coupons from here. Oh, all right. So we have talked about a lot about how to search for products, and let me give you some example about our let me show you some VR tools for our manufacturers. So some buyers may want to know suppliers better by visiting their factories or checkings, for example, their product production line to make a better assessment of the supplier's capabilities. So to help both buyers and suppliers as much as possible, so Global Sources recently launched a VR tool on our suppliers profile, which you can see here. Let me show you how to click start a tour from here. You see, voila. Now you can visit the supplier. It's so much easier and so much convenient. So I'm not going to show you the detail, sorry. You can check out by yourself. So we also actually offer the, let me show you the presentation. Okay, we offer free videos and voice call with suppliers via our app, and we also scheduling an O2O trade shows that you are more than welcome to join us. So it will be live streamed across multiple platforms, so stay tuned for more details. I hope you enjoy this session, and now you can download our app. Thank you, Magla.
Thank you so
So,
much, Sabrina. I have to say, this virtual factory tour is one of my favorite new features of Global Sources. It's really
thank
cool
you.
that you can be sitting anywhere around the world and you can see inside a factory and in such great details. Absolutely incredible. So, thank you so much for that presentation,
Thank you.
Sabrina.
Thank
All
you. Have a
right, you
good
take
day.
care. You
Bye.
too. Bye.